All right, so what is a personal tagline and how can it serve you? Well, today I'm going to answer that question. So what is a personal tagline? Well, it's kind of like a motto for your life. And for me, mine is learn, lead, live. You may have seen it on my videos or my website or whatever it may be, but it's 3 simple words that helps guide me when I'm making decisions. It helps guide me in my life. And so for me, I want to share what those mean. The first one is learn. I think we always should be learning. We always should be growing. Learning is something that we do all throughout our life. Now, the problem is a lot of people stop learning when they get out of school. Now, the successful people that I know always continue to learn. They always continue to grow. I think about this. There's a phrase that says, "When you're green, you grow. When you're ripe, you rot." And that's a lot like life. And too many people are ripe. As soon as they end school, guess what? They stop learning. So for me, learning is always an important part of me. Okay. The second thing is learn, and the second one is lead. I believe leadership is very important. Out of all the personal development that is out there and all the different categories and subcategories, leadership is very important because it's just not leading other people, but it's also how you lead yourself. Leadership really transponds everywhere, and we are in a leadership crisis. The world needs more leaders. The world needs more people to guide them along for betterment. And so the second thing I always remind myself is leadership. Leadership is so important, not just for other people, but for myself as well. How am I setting that example? And the third part of that is to live. Learn, lead, live. That's another part of my motto. And so, I think about life like this. It's not a dress rehearsal. We're here to enjoy ourselves. We're here to have fun. We only have one real shot at this, so let's live it to the fullest. For me, working 9 to 5, that's not me. That's not who I am, but that may be for you. Everybody's life is a little bit different, and so I believe that we should live our best life, and no matter what it is. I don't know if tomorrow's coming. I don't know. But I do know what I have in front of me, and I'm going to make the most of it. And so live reminds me to be in the moment, enjoy what's going on around me, and enjoy the people that I'm with, enjoy the food that's in front of me. So that's my personal tagline: learn, lead, live. Now, my question for you is, what should your personal tagline be? If you had to sum up 3 words that really describe who you are and what you want to be, what is it? That's up to you. I would definitely challenge you to do that, but here's what I would do. I would have you write it down, think about it, and then put it on your phone. For me, my screensaver on my phone is my personal tagline. That way it's always in front of me. And so my challenge to you is to create a personal motto, create a personal tagline, and have that always in front of you. That'll help guide you in what you want to do and what you want to accomplish, and that will steer you in the right direction. So if you like this video, by all means, like, subscribe, share, do all that fun stuff, or go visit my website, deldenny.com, for the latest and greatest information to help you live your best life. All right, that's all for now.